Inserting the right needle from left to right into 3 stitches to knit them together is a pain. I'll show you a much easier way. When you get to the 3 stitches that will form the decrease, knit the first stitch. You can do it with the yarn in your right hand or your left hand, it doesn't make any difference. Then slip it to the left needle purlwise without twisting the stitch. Now insert the tip of the right needle from right to left into the second stitch on the left needle. Pass the stitch over the first one and off the needle. Do the same to one more stitch. Insert, pass it over, and off the needle. We've just turned 3 stitches into 1. And we've already knitted this stitch, so no need to knit it again. What do? We slip it to the right needle. Purlwise, of course, because we don't want to twist it. That's it. No struggle and no wrestling with stitches. We simply continue to work to the end of the row. Or round, because this decrease works well in all situations. The decrease we've just formed is almost identical to the one formed by the classic knit 3 together decrease. This is the classic knit 3 together, and this is the decrease formed by this alternative method. As you see, there's barely any difference, except for the fact that we didn't need to twist our wrists to make it. I used this decrease when I was knitting these lovely Lacy hearts cup sleeves. It is right over here, where the left part of the heart motif is rounded. The pattern is free and you're very welcome to use it to knit a cup sleeve for yourself or as a gift for someone you know. The link to the pattern is in the video description.